Hello, Braden from Bolster here. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust your profit and markup on a assembly level, item level, as well as project level. So starting with the assembly, we have our bathroom 1 here. We can change or come to the profit percentage, adjust that to whatever we would like. Let's say we want to raise that to 30%. That will adjust the totals for the items inside. We can also come to, say, sample flooring item and adjust these individually. So for that item, we can put that up to 35. If you want your sample drywall, I want to be at 45% and your framing to be at 22%. So we can adjust all those right there. If we want individuals, we can also come to your project totals in the bottom left-hand side here, and you have your project profit. So you can change up markup multiplier or else your percentage, and we can throw any number in here, say 30%. That will translate throughout your proposal.